Welcome students, this is the second part of chapter number 7. Control statement. C++ provides decision making statements, also known as control statements. In other words, program statements which are used to control programming are also called control statement. It means control statements enable us to specify the flow of program control. There are following two types of control statement. First, branching statement or conditional control statements or selection structure. Second, looping control statement. Branching statements. Program statements which are used to check condition is known as condition control statement, and condition control statements is called branching statement. There are following five types of branching statements. First, simple if. Second, if else. Third, if else if. Fourth, nested if. Fifth, complex statement. Simple if. In simple if we can check single condition. If condition is true, then program statement will execute, otherwise no program statement will execute. Syntax of simple if is given below. Example of simple if is also given below. Second, if else. In if else we can check single condition. If condition is true, then program statement will execute, and if condition is false, then second program statement will execute. Syntax of if else is given below. Two examples of if else is also given below. Third, if else if. It is used to check more than one condition. In if else if condition is true, then program statement will execute, or if condition is false, then we have to recheck the condition. Syntax of if else if is given below. Example is as follows. Fourth, nested if. There is more than one if in a single if. In nested if, we can check more than one condition. We can recheck condition if condition is either true or false. Syntax of nested if is given below. Examples for nested if is also given below. Fifth, complex conditions. When we check two or more than two conditions before selecting any statement, then we call complex statement. We can write complex condition with logical operator. Syntax of complex conditions are given below. Example for complex condition is also given below. This was second part of chapter number 7. We will continue this chapter later on.